Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. This video walks you through the Quick Start iPhone setup method. Quick Start uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to transfer settings, preferences, and apps automatically. Keep both iPhones within 2 feet and plugged into power during the entire transfer process. Have your Apple ID and password ready for authentication when prompted. You may need to confirm your device passcode and set up Face ID or Touch ID afterwards. The process often completes in 30 to 90 minutes, depending on data size. First, update both iPhones to the latest iOS version available from Settings. Connect each phone to a stable Wi-Fi network and sign into iCloud using your Apple ID. Plug both devices into power adapters so transfers do not pause unexpectedly. Place the new iPhone within 2 feet of the old iPhone for reliable Bluetooth pairing. Turn on the new device and follow on screen prompts to display the Quick Start animation. Prepare your device passcode for immediate confirmation. When the Quick Start screen appears, tap Continue on the old iPhone and scan the animation on the new iPhone. Authenticate by entering your existing device passcode on the new device when prompted. Choose whether to transfer data directly from device or restore from iCloud, then select the exact options you want transferred. Leave both iPhones undisturbed and connected to power until the progress bar reaches 100%. Finally, complete Face ID or Touch ID setup and sign into app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.